Hello everyone, welcome to our first episode in Revit Global Knowledge. So today I'm going to talk about how to create pie cap in family using Autodesk Revit. So here I'm in Autodesk Revit 2021 student version. I'm going to new here is family. Finding for English, metric for structural foundation. Okay, here this one. Okay, here we are in Revit interface family. So we need to create shape for our pie cap first. By create that, I'm going to create reference plane RP on my keyboard, or you can select here. Just pop up here one for horizontal one, and here one as well for horizontal, here one for vertical, and here's one as well. Okay, let's get a couple of time. Let's give dimension for our pie cap. Di on my keyboard, or you can select here for dimension 1 2 3. Okay, like this, equal, and here as well, here 1 2 3 like this, equal, and here as well. Okay, hit escape a couple of times on my keyboard. Let's assign for parameter. This one just like this. Then I'm going to select length. Okay, and this one I'm going to select for width. Okay, so let's adjust our pie cap size. I'm going to family type here. Then I want 300 by 300 millimeter. Hit apply. Okay, here is our pie size. We're going to create extrusion rectangle like this, like this. Lock escape a couple of times. Then as you can see, our pie cap is underground, so I'm going to minus 500 first. Later we adjust, apply, then go to finish. Okay, so let's go to find shape. Okay, let's go to our front view like this. Okay, so normally pie cap we need to create for cut off here and deep here, and another last one is pie hand. So let's create our reference plane for cut off. RP on my keyboard, just like this one. Okay, and this one for deep, and this one for pie hand. Okay, so this one I'm going to dimension here, Di on my keyboard like this one, and here as well like this. Okay, here like this. Let's get a couple times like this for lock, and this one like this as well. We need to lock as well. Okay, so let's assign our parameter here. Select this one. I'm going to create a new one, create a new parameter, and rename for cut off. And this one again, create parameter deep. This one I rename for pie hand, add a new parameter for pie hand. Okay, here I'm going to rename for our reference plane. Later on we can create our pie hand here, pie hand. Okay, so let's go back to our reference plane or WT on my keyboard for window tile. Okay, here is our reference plane. Here is our 3D view, front view. Sorry, not 3D view. Okay, so this one I'm going to hit the line again. Let's go to create again, blank. Set our plan. Okay, here pie hand. Press OK. Go to rectangle. Start from here, and here one, and lock as well. Let's edit on top here like this. I'm going to offset for 20 by 20. Pick a line, offset 20, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's got a couple of times. TR on my keyboard for trim and extend, or you can select here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got a couple of times. Okay, then this one I'm going to minus 300. Then hit apply. Okay, so here you go. Let's see together. There you go. Okay, here is our pie cap, pie hand. Okay, let's go to our 3D view. Here we need to lock AL for a line. Like here one and here one, then lock. Like here one and one and one, then lock as well. Then here is 100. Then I'm going to our family type. Then I'm going to change for 300. It's okay. Okay, so this one I'm going to crop first. Let's testing our parameter again, like this. For tip I want 5 meter length. Okay, this one. For cutout I want 350, 150 meter. Then apply. Okay, as you can see now our parameter is good to go. We are going to create a material type just like our pie like this. Then assign a new parameter here, associate here, create a new material, pie cap. I think I spelled wrong here. I'm going to edit rename CRPE. Okay, this one. Okay, here I use concrete cast in place. Let's click okay like this, apply, then okay, then we're going to realistic, and there you go. See here is what we got. This one we need to assign a parameter as well for material. Again, actually this one is the same, and there you go. So here is what we got. We go into 3D view, realistic. Yeah, here is what we got for our pie cap family. So now we finish our parameter for family pie cap. So here you must be take share for import to your project family. Don't forget to take here. Here must be take. Okay, just take here like this, then apply, then okay. So I'm going to sell self. Okay, here I'm go to pie cap family best apostle. Okay, just family like this, then hit self. Okay, thank you guys for watching. So for our first episode is finished already. Don't forget, leave a comment below and subscribe. Hit subscribe button on our YouTube channel, official YouTube channel, Revit Global Knowledge, and like our official Facebook page, Revit Global Knowledge, for learn more about BIM. And let's grow for our future construction BIM together. Again, thank you guys for watching. I see you for next episode for study for how to create how 5 meter by 20 meter and load our pie cap family into as well. Okay, thank you guys. I see you for next episode.